and inspire others to join Oya. So I give the floor for Lami to make a wonderful speech. Come to us.
Thank you to all the graduates that came today. One round of applause for all the graduates once again. Thank you guys. So it's not easy for you guys to come here today, but you guys made it all together. I'm really proud to see all of you guys, all your faces. Some of you guys I've known for so long, so I'm especially proud. How many of you guys, raise your hands, were born in the United States? So I think a lot of you guys understand what I say when I mean you guys are sometimes living a double life. You go to school, you live one life, and you come home and you live a different life. So I'm very proud, especially for myself, coming, through you guys' way, first, and now you guys are still doing it, right? Living kind of Oromoo at home, and then you have to live an American life at school. So balancing that, I'm very proud of you guys. One way you guys can channel that is through an organization called Oya. Learning more about what it means to be Oromoo in the United States, in Minnesota, wherever you guys are going. So hopefully if you guys stay in Minnesota, you feel inspired to want to join Oya. There's a lot of people that have gone through Oya. It's been almost 30 years, right? This organization has been living on through, the different performances we've done, the different events we've hosted, the different people we've inspired, including myself. I didn't know about Oya for a long time, and I've joined, and this is something I'm truly proud of. So I want you guys to feel that kind of pride when you claim to be Oromoo. So I don't want to say too much, but thank you guys for listening, and thank you.
Thank you, let me pass the baton to another Lami. And now the current president of Oya, really who is responsive and supportive in a community event. Now she make a few remarks again and tell us what is in store in her presidency.
Hi everyone, I just want to say congratulations. I am the new president this year for Oya. Yeah. This is my vice president, Dartu.
Hi guys, my name is Dartu. I'm the vice president. We just wanted to say congratulations first and foremost. A little bit about us. This year we really want to recruit as many people as we possibly can, so come and join. We're very welcoming. We have a lot of events planned, so come through. It'll be a good time.
Thank you. Hooggantoon Oya Galatoomaa jenna. Ammas suduudaan sagantaa bashannanaa ijoolleen Oya qopheessanitti dabarraa xiqqoo nu obsaa sagantaa kanatti jalqabnaa galatooma.